Yeah, I got a little bit of this Tabitha say a greedy spirit. Mine might be a little glutton. Ooh, Lord have mercy, Jesus. Oh, Lord, hold on. Amen. Okay, I got me some salad. Oh, this is spaghetti. I got me some spaghetti my baby made. I threw a little cheese up in there. Oh, my baby can make some spaghetti. I'm eating by myself right now. My baby can make some spaghetti. Got a little salad. I love me some salad. And then I got me some honey. I done about cooked my corn a little too long. I heated it in the air fryer too long. That's my seafood boil, non-seafood boil. And I just found potatoes and I did king oyster mushrooms, honey. And I got my little sauce, baby. I'm gonna tear it up. That spaghetti so good. Feels like I ain't had to put nothing in it, honey. My husband. Ooh. You know he can throw down on this spaghetti. It's vegan. Honey, but woo, that man. Oh, it's so good. I'm smacking. I don't even care. Got my potatoes. Honey, I'm hungry. Understand? I ain't playing with them today. It's so hot I can't even hardly chew it. Swallow it whole. Yeah. I love me some corn. Give me that. Thank you. I'm so hungry though. Honey, I'm not playing with this food. I'm just hungry. Ooh, baby, that spaghetti is all the way on point. At the tip of the point. This is good. Oh, I know you lying. Want a little fly up in here? You better back up. Don't play with me. I don't be sharing with no flies. You not getting none today. Oh, you gonna look at me? Come on over here if you bad. Come on over here if you bad. Oh, you gonna turn and look at me? I will pause this camera and get the fly swatter and handle you and wash my hands and start over. You better stay over there if you know what's good for you. Yeah. Don't play with me about my food. And be sharing with no fly. No, this fly thank you, yeah. Potato. I'm so hungry now. No, Lord. You got, yeah. I'm the only one gonna eat it anyway. Honey. I don't know. Let y'all know that my husband make the bomb, absolute bomb, vegan spaghetti. Regular spaghetti too, but I sprinkle my salad with my. Honestly, I put my vinegar ranch sauce. Excuse me. But I sprinkled it with a little lemon pepper. I just want to see what it do. It was good. Now you said, what my meat? What's my meat? This. Mushrooms, bell peppers, onions. He did my vegetable pasta. And it's good, y'all. I got to go. Bye.